Hello everyone, welcome to the National Virtual Portfolio Management Competition 2024 organized by B School Bulls, a unit of BBX Infotech Private Limited. In this video, we'll walk you through the registration process for this exciting national competition and show you how to participate effectively. So stay tuned till the end. Started with the registration process. You can either use the link provided by the organizing committee or simply type in www.bschoolbulls.com/smc in your browser. Now, when you land on that page, you'll see a few fields to fill in. First, enter your full name. And then tell us the name of your college. Next, put in your email address. Now this is important, create the password that you use for logging into the portal. You also need to select your current course. Tell us what semester you're in and mention your expected year of graduation. Don't forget to let us know which state and district you're from. Finally, make sure you even understand the declaration, and once all that's done, just hit the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, the next step is to make the registration payment. You'll be directed to a secure payment gateway where you can conveniently pay the registration fees. Whether you prefer to use your debit card, credit card, or UPI, the choice is yours. I personally prefer UPI, so I click here and scan the code using my UPI app. After the payment is completed, you'll be redirected to the login page. That's it. You've now successfully completed the registration process. Now, let's dive into how you can actively participate in this competition and explore the various features of this portal. To get started, the initial step is to log in using the email address and password that you set during the registration process. Once you've filled in your details, simply click the login button. After clicking login, you'll be smoothly redirected to your personalized dashboard. Once you arrive on the dashboard, you notice that on the top bar, you have 20,000 virtual currency available, which you can use to place order on this simulated platform. The dashboard also provides information on your total investments, your overall book profits, and your investments broken down by industry. An important feature is the leaderboard, which displays the participants with the highest profits during the competition. Once the competition is over, you can easily download your certificate from the certificate card within 48 hours. This allows for a seamless process to stay updated and celebrate your achievements in this simulated environment. Before embarking on any endeavor, it's essential to refresh our understanding, and knowledge is rooted in theory. Therefore, we encourage you to explore our tutorial section, where you'll discover a wealth of video tutorials covering fundamental and technical analysis. These tutorials encompass a wide range of topics, including the financial sustainability of a company, financial ratios, industrial analysis, corporate governance, forensic accounting, and many more. Once you've laid the foundation of your knowledge in fundamental and technical market analysis, the next step is to explore our company's report section, conveniently located in the menu. Here, you gain access to a comprehensive repository of all companies listed on the National Stock Exchange, including their annual reports from the past 6 years. This section provides a wealth of valuable information, such as company-specific SWOT analysis, fundamental and technical assessments, shareholding patterns, relevant news updates, and more. What sets this section apart is its user-friendly functionality. For instance, suppose you're preparing for a job placement interview in the banking and finance industry. You can easily filter companies within this industry by selecting it from the drop-down menu and clicking search. This feature allows you to discover companies you might not have encountered before, which is especially beneficial when students have limited time to prepare for interviews. Consider this example. In the banking and finance sector, students often express their interest in joining well-known institutions like ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, or HDFC Bank. However, when less familiar names like Aavas Financiers or Capri Global Capital come up, many students may not recognize them. By familiarizing yourself with these companies and applying for positions within them, you enhance your chances of securing a coveted role. Within the company's report section, there's an additional feature called Recommended Company. If you can't locate a specific company, even if it's listed on the stock exchange, you can simply provide the company's name and website here. Within 48 hours, Visual Bulls will make all the relevant reports available to you. After you've chosen a company from the company's report section, aligning with your interests or placement aspirations, navigate to the watchlist section. Here, you can effortlessly add the chosen company to your watchlist. Simply enter the company name in the search box, and it will appear in the drop-down menu. Select the company and click Add to Watchlist. Following this step, the application screen will prompt you to designate which watchlist you'd like to allocate this company to, watchlist 1, 2, 3, or 4. Once you've made your selection, wait for a brief 3-second confirmation and the company will be successfully added to your preferred watchlist. Once you've added a stock to your watchlist, you'll observe real-time price fluctuations during market hours, which run from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Alongside these price updates, you'll find 3 essential buttons: a buy button, a sell button, and a trend button. Clicking on the trend button allows you to view the stock's performance trends over different time frames: 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. To purchase a stock using virtual currency, simply click on the buy button. A pop-up window will appear on your screen, where you can specify the quantity you wish to buy. Ensure that the order value is within your virtual wallet balance. You can also provide a reason for the purchase, which will serve as a reference when you review your order book later. If you decide to sell a stock, click on the Sell button. In the pop-up window, select the quantity you want to sell, making sure it does not exceed the quantity available in your portfolio. Additionally, you can provide a reason for selling the stock, which helps you track your decision-making process. Next, you'll access your order book by simply clicking on Order in the menu. In this table, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your transactions, including the date and time of the transaction, the security name, the quantity bought or sold, the transaction amount, brokerage charges applied, the total order value, profit or loss, applicable for sell transactions, and the reason behind each transaction. The inclusion of brokerage charges in this simulation is designed to provide a more realistic experience, helping you develop your mental math skills, mirroring the actual practice of brokers charging fees in the securities market. By clicking on the Portfolio and Holdings tab, you'll access valuable information. In the first table, you'll find an overview of your investments, including the total amount invested and its current valuation, unrealized profit or loss, which calculates profit or loss based on current prices, and unbooked gains or losses, and realized profit or loss, reflecting gains or losses from previously sold shares. In the second table, you can view the securities in your portfolio, along with their respective industry categorizations, available quantities, total invested amounts on a per stock basis, average purchase prices, current market values, and unrealized profit or loss figures. This data offers a comprehensive view of your investment positions and performance. When you visit the Industry-wise Pattern tab, you gain access to a breakdown of your portfolio's investments by industry. For example, if you have holdings in both ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, this section allows you to view the total investment in the banking and finance sector. In the first table, you'll find a list of industries alongside the total amount invested in each. In the second table, represented as a pie chart, you can visually grasp the percentage distribution of your investments across various industries. This feature provides a clear overview of how your portfolio is diversified across different sectors. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found value and believe it can enhance your resume, consider subscribing to this simulator for a semester. It's as simple as visiting our website at www.theschoolbulls.com, navigating to the Products section in the menu, and then clicking on Stock Market Simulator. This step will provide you with valuable experience that can significantly boost your resume. And now, as you embark on this exciting journey, remember that the competition is your chance to shine. So, give it your all, make smart investments, and strive for excellence. We are here cheering you on, and we wish you the very best of luck in the competition. You've got this.